welcome to 2347 Awabuki Drive. As you can see, right when you come in, there's a beautiful open floor place. And over here we have our living room. It's very spacious, lots of area, and you can enjoy the amazing views of the golf course and water. So I'm going to be your tour guide today. So follow me as we come on into the home. And then as you can see right here, we have this amazing kitchen with these beautiful granite countertops. And there's a very spacious sink. And in the back, you can see how there's the refrigerator, wonderful appliances, flat top stove. It's a great Whirlpool microwave, as you can see. Custom backsplash artwork, which is very nice. And tons of cabinet space, as you can see. We're going to, as you pan this way, I'm going to open up the cabinet. See how there's lots of pantry space as well. Lots of good storage. We're going to come on this way. And now, as you view this way, you can see the beautiful dining room. Also as part of the whole thing, so right when you're in the kitchen here, you can come to the dining room. And it is open to the living room, so a great open plan. You can see the wonderful views outside. So while we're over here, let's go ahead and step over and take a peek at the lanai. Again, as we come out here, you're going to notice the beautiful hand artwork custom that's out on the lanai. As you come out here and you can enjoy your views. And you can see it's a very well-spaced lanai area. There's more custom artwork over here. If you want to take a quick look at that. Very nice outdoor fan as well. Alright, so now we're going to make our way back inside, and we're going to take a peek at the master bedroom first. So right off of the kitchen and the dining room, we have our master bedroom. So it has this nice little nook where you can put some artwork, custom artwork that you want. So it's a good little feature, and also separates the room. But as you can see, there's vaulted ceilings with a nice tray. And you also have this wonderful golf course views with the lake and the beautiful scenery. And it's a very spacious master bedroom. You can tell there's plenty of seating where you can sit and enjoy a book. You can relax and be in the master bedroom. Now we're going to take a step into the master bathroom. As you can see, it's a very spacious master bathroom. We have the dual sinks with these beautiful countertops, which are also on the other bathroom that we're going to show you, but wonderful cabinets. Very spacious stand-in shower, as you can see, and a very wonderful walk-in closet as well that you can enjoy. You can have plenty of room for everything in here, his and hers. This, of course, is where the throne room is. Nice and spacious. And it's also very private. You can shut off there. Now we're going to make our way into the office, which is right off the kitchen. Again, I just love the open feel of this house. It's very spacious, very family oriented. So when you're in Florida, you can enjoy. And as you can see, the beautiful tile throughout the home. It's very nice. I love the pattern. And if you step in here, you can see that there's a very private office. So it's very good. This could double as a bedroom or a guest bedroom for friends. If you could have a pull-out couch, you can put like a little armoire for a closet. It does have a beautiful window. And you can also close it out, as you can see from the rest of the room, if you need more privacy. All right, follow me as we're going to go back to the secondary bathroom. As you can see, again, the same beautiful countertops and the cabinetry here with the single sink. Very spacious shower, as you can see, with this nice tile inlays, which I always enjoy. Oh, and also notice the trim from the baseboards. They have the extra high trim, which is a nice touch. Alright, now we're going to go into the guest bedroom. And as you can also tell, it's very light in here, so very tall ceilings, very nice and bright and light in the whole place. This is a great second bedroom. They have it with the dual beds, you know, so pretty lots of space for the room guests. And also the nice view from outside, brings in lots of light, nice green grass, and then of course you have your standard closet. Now we're going to make our way into the utility room, the laundry room. This is another thing I really like about this. It's actually right off the garage, which we'll see in a second here, but the utility room is huge. It's nice and big. So in Florida, you always have the problem with storage space, but here in this utility room, there's plenty of room for storage, as you can see. You have your nice washer and dryer that fit in here perfectly. All right, let's take a peek at the garage. All right, we're going to step into the garage. It's a standard 2-car garage. But as you can see, they've painted the floor, so it'll keep it nice and clean and speckled. And also the beautiful custom artwork here on the side is a great touch as well. All right, so if you want to come back in this way. All right, so what we're going to do next is I'm going to actually show you a tour of the tennis courts and golf facility and the pool. They have a wonderful clubhouse here. But as you can see, this house is perfect for part-time, full-time, plenty of room, plenty of spaces, and this actually completes the tour of our inside of the home. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked the home. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, but we will be going next to the tennis and golf facility.
Okay, go!
Hi there. Oops. Got it. That's the sound of it.